children. Hi children. How are you? Yes, that's fine. I hope that you are all fine at home. Take care of your health, okay? Be safe at home. Shall we move on to today's class, children? Yes, in today's class we are going to learn the concepts near and far. And we have, after that we have oral part. In that we are going to read and count numbers 1 to 30. After that we are going to learn the number names 3, 4 and 5. After the oral part we have writing part. In that we are going to write numbers 21 to 25. Is it clear, children? Shall we move on to the concept now? Yes, come on. Before that, tell me one thing, children. Do you have any idea about near and far? What do you mean by near, children? Do you know the meaning for the word far? Yes, it's okay, children. Let me tell you some examples, okay? That will be help you to better understanding about near and far. Okay, see the examples. See here. Can you see the picture? What are the things you can see in this picture? A boy, a girl and a tree. Okay, see here, see carefully. The boy is standing near the tree. Can you see it clearly? The boy is standing near the tree. See the girl? The girl is standing far from the tree. Can you see the distance between the tree and the girl? The distance is far. The girl is standing far from the tree. Okay, you have to note one more thing, the size of a boy and the size of a girl. That means the things which are near to us looks very big than the things which are very far from us looks very small. Okay, let me repeat one more. The things which are near to us looks big size. Okay, the things which are far from us looks small. That's why the girl looks small than this boy. The boy is standing near the tree. See here, the girl is standing far from the tree. Shall we see some more example? See here. Can you see the trees? There are two trees. See here, this tree. See here, this tree is near. Okay, near to us. This tree is far from us. Okay, the distance is very long. This tree is far from us. This tree is near us. Okay. See the third example. Can you see the picture? There is a tree. There are two dogs. Can you see? This dog is sitting near the tree. This dog is sitting far from the tree. Can you see the dogs are in different size? Because this dog is sitting far from the tree. That's why it looks small. This dog is sitting near to the tree. That's why it looks big. Okay. See some more example. See here. Can you see? It's a rabbit. It's a tortoise. Okay. Can you tell me who is near to the finishing line? Who is near to the finishing line? Yes. Very good. The tortoise is near to the finishing line. The rabbit is far from the finishing line. This is the finishing line. Okay. See this picture. What are the things you can see in this picture? Sun, clouds, sky, butterfly, girl, boy, grass, flowers and tree. Can you tell me what are the things near and what are the things far from us? Yes, the tree, the butterflies, the grass, the flowers, the girl and boy are near to us. But the sun, the sky, the clouds are very far from us. Okay. Are you clear, children? I hope that you are all get a good idea about near and far. It's time to do some interesting activity. I have some interesting activity for you. Are you eager, children, to do interesting activity? Yes, come on. Now you are going to circle the sheep that are far. What are you going to do? You have to pick and circle the sheep that are far. Okay. Can you see the picture? Can you tell me the answer? Which sheep are far from us, children? Yes, these three sheep are far from us. These two sheep are near to us. This looks big because these are near. This looks small because these are Shall we do one more? Yes. Pick the picture in which the boy and girl are standing near. This is first picture. This is second picture. In which picture the boy and girl are standing near to each other? Can you find? Tell me the answer, children. Yes, very good. In first picture, the girl and boy are standing near. In this, there is a distance between the girl and boy. Are you clear, children? Are you clear with the words near and far? I hope that. Now it's time to move on the oral part. Okay, we have oral part. In that we are going to read and count the numbers 1 to 30. Are you ready, children? Do you like to count the numbers? I hope. Count and read the numbers interestedly. Okay, listen and repeat the numbers 1 to 30. Repeat loudly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Shall we read it once again? Yes, read it with interest. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Very good, children. Keep it up. Shall we do some activities based on numbers? Are you ready? Let's do it. First, we are going to fill in the missing numbers. Can you see this? What is this? This is a caterpillar. Now we are going to fill the missing numbers on this caterpillar's body. Are you ready, children? If you are struggling to start the number from 27, then start counting from 21. Okay, shall we start? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. After 27, what will come? 28. Very good. After 28, 29 is there. After 29, what will come? Can you tell me? Yes, the number 30 will come. Super, children. Keep it up. I have one more interesting activity for balloons we have. Very nice children, super. Do you enjoy the activity? I hope that you are all enjoying the activities. Shall we move on to the number names? Yes, in previous class, what have we learned? Yes, we have learned the number name for 0, 1 and 2. Shall we recall it once? Can you spell and read the number name 0? Z-E-R-O, 0. What it is? Z-E-R-O, 0. Z-E-R-O, 0. What it is, children? Number 1. Can you spell the number name 1? Spell it. O-N-E, 1. Spell it once again. O-N-E, 1. O-N-E, 1. What it is, children? Number 2. Can you spell the number name 2? T-W-O, 2. Very good, children. T-W-O, 2. Shall we move on to the number name 3? Yes, today we are going to learn the number name for 3. Are you ready? Listen and repeat. T-H-R-E-E, 3. What it is? T-H-R-E-E, 3. Very nice. T-H-R-E-E, 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Shall we move on to number name 4? Yes, what it is? Number 4. Shall we spell and learn the number name 4? F-O-U-R, 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Spell with me, okay? F-O-U-R, 4. Very nice. F-O-U-R, 4. Shall we move on to the next? What it is, children? Number 5. Shall we learn the number name 5? F-I-V-E, 5. Spell with me. F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Very nice, children. Do you want to some activities? Yes, I have some activities based on number names. The activity is count the fingers and match with their number names. Okay. See the left side, you have fingers. You have to count the fingers and match with the number names. Okay, children. Are you ready? See the first hand. How many fingers, children? 1 and 2. Can you see it clearly? See the first hand. How many fingers? 1, 2. Can you find and spell the number name 2? Yes, here the number name 2. T-W-O, 2. Very good, children. See the second one. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you spell the number name 4? F-O-U-R, 4. You are matching it correctly. Move on to the third one. How many fingers, children? Can you count and tell me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers are there. Can you find and spell the number name 5? Where it is, children? Find it. F-I-V-E. Here it is. Super. Move on to the fourth one. How many fingers? Count and tell. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers are there. Can you spell and find the number name 3? Where it is? Here. T-H-R-E-E, 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Very nice. See the last one. How many fingers? Only 1. That means the number name 1. Can you find and spell the number name 1? O-N-E, 1. Very nice, children. Keep it up, okay? Move on to the next activity. Now we are going to count and fill in the missing letters, okay? Are you interested? Yes, I hope. What are these? These are apples. How many apples? Shall we count and tell? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many apples, children? There are 5 apples. Can you spell the number name 5 and fill the missing letters? Are you ready? Yes. What is the spelling of number name 5? F-I-V-E. Very good. What is the spelling of number name 5? F-I-V-E. Super, children. Very good. Move on to the next activity. Count and fill in the missing letters. Again, you are going to count the given images and tell the missing numbers. Are you ready? There are balloons. Count. 1, 2, 3. How many balloons? 3 balloons. numbers 0 to 10. Okay, it's then it will be easy for writing these numbers. Okay, start. To write the number 2, put a right curve like this and complete it with sleeping line. Okay, to write the number 1, put a standing line. Is it clear? Listen to me. Put a right curve and end up with sleeping line. For 1, put a standing line. That's it, children. Very 3 steps, simple 3 steps. Okay. For 2, put a right curve like this and end up with the sleeping line. Okay. For 1, put a standing line. For 2, put a right curve like this, end up with the sleeping line like this. For the number 1, put a standing line. Is it clear, children? Shall we write one more? For 2, put a right curve like this and end up with the sleeping line. For the number 1, put a standing line. Okay, children? Shall we move to the number 22? Yes, for number 22, you have to write the number 2 twice. Okay? We already practiced to write the number 2. For 2, put the right curve and end up with the sleeping line. Right curve like this, end up with the sleeping line. Okay, children, is it clear with you? To write the number 22, you have to write the number 2 twice. Okay, 2 times. Right curve, sleeping line. For 2, right curve and sleeping line. Okay, keep practicing. Regular practice make you to write the numbers perfectly. Okay, keep practicing. Right curve, sleeping line. Right curve, sleeping line. Okay, for number 2, put a right curve like this and sleeping line. Right curve, sleeping line. Right curve, sleeping line. Right curve, sleeping line. Is it okay? Shall we move to the number 23? Yes, we already learned to write the number 2 and 3. To write 23, we have to write the numbers 2 and 3 together. Shall we? For 2, put the right curve and end up with the sleeping line. For number 3, we have to put the 2 right curves. Okay, listen to me. 1 and 2. 2 right curves. Okay, children, is it clear? For 2, put a right curve and end up with the sleeping line. For 3, put 2 right curves. Okay, like this. For 2, put a right curve and sleeping line. For 3, put 2 right curve like this. Okay, 2 right curve and sleeping line. For the number 3, put a right curve and once again put a right curve. Okay, children. For the number 2, put a right curve like this and sleeping line. For number 3, put a 2 right curves like this. Okay, children, is it clear? Shall we move to the number 24? Yes. For number 24, we have to write number 2 and 4 together. Start writing. For 2, right curve and sleeping line. For 4, we have 3 simple steps. First is slanting line, next is sleeping and 1 standing. Is it clear? Write it once again. 2, for 2, right curve and sleeping line. For 4, first is slanting and sleeping and standing line. Okay, children, write it with me. Right curve and sleeping line for 2. For 4, standing line like this and sleeping line and 1 standing line. For the number 2, put the right curve like this and end up with the sleeping line. For the number 4, standing line, sleeping line and standing line. Okay, children. For 2, right curve like this and end up with the sleeping line. For 4, put a slanting line. Okay, slanting and sleeping and standing. Is it clear? Shall we move to the number 25? For 25, you have to write the number 2 and 5 together. Okay, children. 2 right curve and sleeping line. To write the number 5, there are only 3 simple steps. First is sleeping line, next standing line and right curve. Okay, right curve. Okay, by practicing you can write the numbers fluently. Okay, 2 for 5 sleeping line, standing line, and then right curve. Okay, for 2 right curve, sleeping line. For 5 sleeping line, standing line, and right curve. Okay. For the number 2, put a right curve and put a sleeping line. For the number 5, put a sleeping line and put a standing line and put a right curve like this. Okay children, are you clear with writing the numbers 21, 22, 23, 24, 25? Keep practicing. Okay children, then only you will able to write the numbers properly. Okay. Okay children, now it's time to make note the follow-up activities. Okay, after the class you have to do some practices. That's it. You do the exercise given in your skill book. Okay, make note the page numbers properly. The page number 10 is based on the topic near and far. Okay, the page numbers 53, 55, 57, 59 and 61 for writing part. Okay children. Keep practicing. Take care of your health.